Hey fans, thank you for tuning back into the channel. Today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a spatchcock jerk turkey from my home to your home. We're going to use this jerk right here, sauce right here. It's already made up. This was going to make it easy. I got some olive oil right here. Got some granulated garlic. I got some caramelized onion. Got some pineapples. I got some slap your mama. I have 2 oranges right here, 2 limes. And also I have a lemon right there. Alright, that's all the ingredients we're going to use. First thing we're going to do, we're going to move all this stuff to the side. And we got to spatchcock this chicken. I mean, not this chicken, but this turkey. No doubt about it. Alright, so yeah, he was dripping a little bit, so I had to put a paper towel up under him. And try to dry him out as much as I can. You're going to always get some juices. He is room temperature. Alright. Alright, we gotta turn this bad boy around. Just like so. Now, first thing first, we're gonna take us some shears. I got 2 of them over here just in case one don't work. We gotta come up this backbone. Like that. Sometimes you be doing this, want to be stuttering. Just take your time. Might be cutting too close to that bone over there. Yep. Have to cut with the cleaver. Like so. Cleaver, get it? Alright. Here's the other part we got to get off. This neck. I don't like to go that way with it. You might cut yourself doing it like that. Always cut away from yourself. Let's see if I can do it like this. There we go. That's what you want to take out there, okay? I'm going to put that over here to the side because I'm going to cook that with it. You can believe that. All this stuff up in here, you're going to clean that out. Just like that. You're going to hit that bad boy just like that. Just like that, fam. That's how you spatchcock a turkey or a chicken. So we clean all this off. We're going to rinse this off again. Alright, here's the skin. Let me just take some of this. Trim some of that up. So I'm going to go ahead and go take this to the sink after I get these bones out, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I already cut up some lemons and limes and oranges. I'm going to take some of these pineapples, just place them in there. Like so. Bring this over here, that's over here. Pour some of this juice in here. Now if you want to put some brown sugar in there, you're welcome to do so as well. Alright, we got that set up. Trying to make sure it touch all over my chicken. I mean my turkey. I keep saying chicken. I'm not used to doing a turkey like this all the time either. So, that's that. We're going to scoot that to the side. Bring the young turkey back out here. I always start on this side. We got to season this bad boy up. I'm going to try to dry them up a little bit. Put a little olive oil on here. Leg over here. Put your leg over here, man. Don't worry about it right now. Just rub that on there. Just like so. Wash my hands. We're gonna come in here some of this garlic. Probably like a tablespoon. I don't want to hear nothing from the food police, like Ray Mac Kitchen said. That ain't no tablespoon. Do a tablespoon, all right? We're gonna do a tablespoon of this, caramelized onion, all right? We're gonna come in here with some of this Slap Your Mama. Probably like a tablespoon of that, all right? And we got this jerk seasoning. Now you probably don't need all this stuff on there, but I'm putting it on there for mine. Put a little jerk seasoning on the back side, but we want it mainly on the front side. So just rub that around there. Take your time, because remember it got bones. Okay? Alright. That should be good enough for me. Take this bad boy. We're going to flip them over in the pan. Like so. Make sure your oven's preheated at 400 degrees. If you're doing it overnight, you can do it on 200 for overnight. Okay? Alright. Put this back over here. Some more olive oil. Make sure we get them all over. Like so. Rub them down. Massage them up, whatever you want to do. Alright, garlic. I like to start with the arm first. Make sure you get a good amount on it. Alright. Some caramelized onion. Alright, Slap Your Mama. Alright, now we come with the jerk. Take a little bit of this, come up in his skin if you wanted to. You have to make your incision. Here goes one right here. Just like that. Like so. Now you can let this marinate overnight if you want to, but I ain't got time for all that. I'm going to put mine straight in the oven. Alright? At 400 degrees for probably about 3 to 4 hours. We want this bad boy crispy. That's how that look, fam. Like that. And I'm going to throw this in the oven unwrapped for about 3 hours. Alright, fam. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I cooked this turkey for about good 3.5 hours. Okay, I did put it on broil. This is my Spatchcock jerk turkey right there. I left it in the pan because it's too big to put on a plate. So that's how that looks. Lemons and limes and oranges in there. And it tastes super delicious, guys. Hope you guys make this recipe, and like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.